Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Huawei P20 Pro Leatherback Edition. Now, I'm not going to waste your time going through the specs. You already seen that in my unboxing video. I'll leave the link for that up in the description. There's two differences that I got to mention. Now, instead of 6 gigs of RAM, you got 8 gigs of RAM. And instead of 128 gigs of storage, now you got 256. Other than that, all of the specs are identical. Now, Huawei did release 4 new versions. You got the White Pearl, you got another Twilight, and you got 2 leatherback versions. One is black, one is brown. We got the black on deck. All right, so let's check this out. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. Huawei P20 Pro. Now, if you watch my channel, you know this is my second favorite phone from Huawei behind the Mate RS. Here we go. Here's your device. From the front, looks exactly like the old P20 Pro. But check out the back. Woo! Look at that. Let's get a little wipe down to add to that dramatic effect. Look at that leather back. Now this is what I'm talking about. Y'all know I like glass back phones, but this leather right here, let me do the smell test. Smells crispy. It smells extra fresh, extra crispy. This is dope. No fingerprints on deck. Feels so good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. Just looks like luxury. Let's see what else you get. Here's your SIM ejection tool. Usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Has your fast charging brick. Apple, pay attention. Fast charging brick on deck. Here's your headphones. Now these are quality headphones. USB Type-C. Rah. Quality headphones on deck. Let me give Shoes something to play with. And you got your USB Type-C charging cable. And that's pretty much it. No dongle on deck. It is what it is. Let's power this up, see if we got any juice. You got minimum notch on this one. You'll see it when I power this up. Matter of fact, why waste the time? You already know what this is. No need to go through the OS. I'll leave the link for this in the description. It's basically going to be exactly the same. Let's just take a minute and look at that leather. All right, there's your minimum notch. All right, if you're going to do a notch, do it like that. Not that big, giant pixel notch. This is a small little notch. I ain't mad at that. The leather on this, though. Which one y'all like better? Now, this one right here, let me get a wipe down. This one is damn near impossible to keep that shimmeriness. Now, it looks beautiful right now because I just wiped it down. But it's never going to stay like this, especially without a case. One touch, and there you go, fingerprints on deck. Leatherback version, you're not going to have that problem. No case necessary on this one. Now, you might want to slap a screen protector on the front, but you're going to want to feel that back. Anyway, this is the P20 Pro Leatherback Edition. Shortest video on my channel. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Let that sink in for a second. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock 1 to beam up. Energize.